Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between the solid and glass styles for the lock screen clock on iOS 26. This is a great way to personalize your iPhone's look and make your lock screen match your vibe. Let's get started. First, wake your iPhone and long press on the lock screen. After a moment, you'll enter the customization mode, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Customize button. Tap on that. Now, tap directly on the clock area. This will open the clock style settings. If you look towards the bottom, you'll see two style options, glass and solid. The glass style gives your clock a more modern, transparent look. The solid style is bolder and easier to read. Just tap the style you prefer, and you'll instantly see the change reflected on your lock screen. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change your lock screen clock style on iOS 26. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.